You say that woman is really consistent. Check her. Whole heap of things she do, you know. Yeah, you see it? At the pint she appeal, you know, daddy, and look how neat it is. Some man have the pint and know chaka. Yo, mama, what go on still? From what you want to see?
Why am I there, you know? And a corona.
Yeah.
Start that business, and I see what that business do for me.
Feel?
That business put the roof over my head. Fast.
Say praise the Lord.
Because when the curfew, everybody has say, oh, mama, where you get that style? If say, look here, some pine, me go peel and slice.
Remember,
and everybody asks me, oh, you just get up with that
Pine
idea
thing
there.
there.
I said, no man, anything me put my hand to, you must come true, you know, because God bless no man person.
And if it you too.
You put the shoulder to the wheel, everything must
And if it you too.
happen. But they are 19 years of me and selling from me and selling at the street.
Yeah.
Instead of little hustling here, I have to do it.
You not left
I mean,
it.
know what you do for me.
You not left it.
And some of the women, if we did a try,
Eh?
even some of them something here,
Yo,
things would have better.
some of them
But
are
we
gonna
look
depend
down
on
on
man.
ambition and say, look here, we bigger than that.
And look
Let
how
me
it
tell you
neat.
something. I know what you do, or how you do it.
Natural. Look how it neat.
I know what you do, or how you do it.
Look how it
I mean,
neat
that
number
girl me I
people.
try until death. A death apart me from my ambition.
Solid talk you're making at the
Alright,
morning.
so listen me now. Some of them is to patrol the road and so slice some pine. Some slice some pine, slice some pine. If it's a patrol the road and go slice some pine, some of the women them nowadays, they just want to run up and down before they try create style. Create style that even easy. Them have to stop patrol the road. Them have to create style. I create style. Hey, create style.
I create style.
And when they think say the style them spoil, me have to upliftment more pine. Pine palm pine. Pine palm pine. Pine palm pine. I mean now stop peel pine. Now stop slice pine.
Nah, stop. Slice pine. Pine pam pine, me say pine pam pine. Then watch our back, watch it behind. Watch it behind. Pine pam pine, me say if you watch it behind. Spin it then my girl, oh God. To the world, Veteran TV.
Oh, you mean veteran?
Make them know.
Make them know.
Make them know enough.
Make them know. We now stop peel pine.
Mad, yeah.
Alright.
Everything,
every dollar count.
Oh,
Every
mean?
dollar
Every
count.
nickel.
Make a muckle.
Me don't talk. To the world, pour on 20 round at the bus park with there, you know. Yeah, anywhere you want to go from here, so. Every bus there, so. I could have nigger you want to go, you can't get a bus, yes, sir. Veteran TV just a go to a few in the morning, you see it? Friday, you know. Lively, you know. Crazy. Walk through the town like a bit funny. Here, some woman start cut up the pine, you know, me say the lady skill, see watch her. So neat. So neat. More style, you know.
4 pieces in a bag, I collect $250 for that.
Say that again.
You know that? A $400 pound.
4 pieces in our bag.
And you collect $250 for that.
Real flat foot hustler. Yo, mama, you're great.
Creative so much, that's when me peel the pine and say come like a machine peel.
Yo, me say, mama, you're neat. Oh, God have mercy. Watch her, Earl. Watch her now. You know, say, I'm not going no more that woman because she's too skilled. Some of them go look something, don't too lazy. And most of them are depend on man, you know, miss.
Yes.
They wouldn't go look something.
Put pressure upon man.
Pan man. When you go look something, some of them watch her, man. To the world. Veteran TV. Natural liberty. See you later, yeah?
Yeah, man. Love and respect.
14, you know. So walk around and show me I drink them. One little thing where I go on. 4 and 20. As usual. You know, we are touchdown for Harbour Street. Going on a little piece of my town here, you know. The great Harbour Street, I want to go on here. One sound and everything gone here. Why Jamaica only in Jamaica. Jaja, Blake Street here.